Porsche has always been a brand that thrives on pushing boundaries, but with the 2025 Macan EV, they've taken their biggest gamble yet. This isn't just an electrified version of their best-selling SUV, it's a complete reinvention of what a Porsche can be. Gone is the traditional combustion engine, replaced by a high-powered electric drivetrain that promises to deliver the same exhilarating driving experience, but without the roar of a petrol engine. The question is, can it still feel like a Porsche? The new Macan EV is built on Porsche's cutting-edge PPE platform, which it shares with the Audi Q6 e-tron. This means a completely new electric powertrain, refined aerodynamics, and a tech-heavy interior that's designed for the future. The lineup starts with a rear-wheel drive base model, but for those who crave more power, the dual-motor all-wheel drive versions step things up. The top-of-the-line Macan Turbo EV is a beast, packing 630 horsepower and 1,130 Newton-meters of torque, launching from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.1 seconds. That's the kind of performance Porsche fans expect, even if the power now comes from an electric motor instead of a traditional flat-six engine. While performance is a big part of the Macan EV's appeal, Porsche hasn't forgotten about practicality. The rear seats remain spacious enough for adults, and the cargo area is generous, making this a car that fits seamlessly into daily life. Porsche's air suspension and adaptive dampers come standard across the lineup, ensuring the Macan EV retains the sharp handling and dynamic drive that the brand is known for. Plus, with rear-wheel steering available on higher trims, it's as agile as ever, whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving through winding mountain roads. The design of the 2025 Macan EV is another area where Porsche has taken a bold step. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and ultra-modern, embracing a futuristic look that signals the brand's commitment to electrification. Inside, Porsche has packed the cabin with high-tech features, including a 12.6-inch curved digital display, an augmented reality HUD, and a fully connected infotainment system. It's clear they're aiming to blend performance with cutting-edge luxury, ensuring that the Macan EV feels as premium as its price tag suggests. And speaking of price, Porsche remains true to its tradition of offering an extensive list of customization options, allowing buyers to spec their Macan EV to their exact preferences. While the base model starts at around $77,000, the turbo version can exceed $107,000 when fully loaded. But with that price comes impressive efficiency, as the Macan EV boasts an estimated range of up to 500 kilometers per charge, along with ultra-fast 270 kilowatt charging that can take the battery from 10% to 80% in just 21 minutes. In a market flooded with electric SUVs, the Macan EV competes against the Audi SQ6 e-tron, Cadillac Lyriq, and Genesis electrified GV70. Yet thanks to its superior handling and Porsche DNA, it manages to stand out, even earning a spot on the Editor's Choice list for 2025. But here's the real debate. Without the roar of an engine and the visceral connection of a traditional Porsche, will fans embrace this new era? This is where Porsche's biggest gamble comes into play. The Macan EV is undoubtedly fast, futuristic, and technically brilliant. But will purists accept an all-electric Porsche that ditches the sound and feel of a roaring engine? Has Porsche made the right move, or is this a step too far? What do you think? Will the 2025 Macan EV win over Porsche fans, or will it struggle to live up to the brand's legendary reputation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of cutting-edge cars.